Okay, you guys. Remember when I said that I purchased a pair of heels to go with that Coach bag? Well, it's been 3 weeks and finally they have arrived. My first impressions, I can tell that this was made from a different factory than I'm used to getting my inspired heels by. It's not that it feels low quality, it just doesn't feel like high quality. They feel cheap. I'm not gonna lie. The elastic is very tough. It's a strong elastic, which makes it hard to pull and easier to break. The sole, I could see the glue at the crevices, especially where the upper and lower straps overlap and where the strap goes into the sole. I was concerned about the quality of these heels, especially because they feel so light. They feel lightweight to where I'm afraid to walk even in these. I'm especially afraid to put all of my weight on the stiletto portion. I will admit, I was pleasantly surprised that when I leaned back, I didn't fall. The heel didn't bend or break or anything like that. Honestly, they are surprisingly sturdy. The heel itself, it feels centered on my heel. And if you look at my toes, you will notice that every single one of my toes have a place on the sole. That I was also surprised by, happily. And they are surprisingly comfortable. They feel like any other heel that I wear. They're not cutting into the top of my foot. I feel like the placement of the strap is honestly anatomically correct for my foot, and I feel no pain. The heel height's great, no pain whatsoever.
I don't really like them. I mean, I'm actually surprised. It's like a bit of a storm right now.
But I will be honest, I don't feel like this review will be complete until I can take these out on the town.
It's like crazy.